Warm welcome to all the students. So today we are going to learn one more chapter of social studies. Okay, and the name of this chapter is Grasslands. So students, do you know what does the word grassland means? Grasslands are generally open and flat lands with shorter grasses. Okay, so let's start. So at first let us go through the spotlight of this chapter. So in this chapter we will learn regarding the types and location of temperate grasslands, vegetation and climate of the prairies, economy of the region and types of crops cultivated. Grassland of the world. So grasslands are generally found in temperate region. Okay, where there is neither less nor plenty of rainfall. Means they have a moderate rainfall. Okay, now grasslands are found in many countries and each country they have a different name. Okay, so in North America they are called prairies. In Central Eurasia they are referred to as steppes. So Eurasia means Europe and Asia together. Okay, in Africa they are called vales. In Australia they are known as downs, and in South America they are called pampas. Okay, so the word prairies comes from French. Okay, and it means grasslands or meadow. Okay, now most of these grassland can be seen in which zone? We have learned earlier, right? In the temperate zone. Yes. Now we will read about the location. So prairie grasslands are located in the interior of North America. Okay, and it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. So it lies between these two latitudes. Okay, now however today only about 1% of the prairies still exist. Now the prairies are triangular in shape and cover an entire area of approximately 1.4 million square miles. Okay, so it is their area. Now they start from Canada in the north and end at Mexico in the south. So in this map you can see it, right? They start from Canada and they end at Mexico. Now Rocky Mountains are located to the west and River Ohio and Great Lakes are located towards the east. Okay, so it is about its location. So the next we will learn regarding the rivers which flow through the prairies. So the most important rivers flowing through the prairies are Mississippi and Missouri. Some of the important cities in the area are Chicago, Dallas, Texas, Colorado, Oklahoma and Minneapolis. The water for irrigation and other purposes comes from these rivers. Okay. Now regarding wildlife. So the animals in the temperate grasslands are well adapted to dry and windy conditions. Okay, means they have adapted themselves to live in this condition. Bisons were once found in millions, but now they are gradually becoming extinct. So it means earlier there was a large number found there, but nowadays it started to decrease. Okay, there are grazing animals like gazelle and deer, mice, jackrabbits, snakes and coyotes are also present in this region. So this is about the wildlife. Okay, now the next topic is vegetation. So grasslands are generally, as we know, it's an open and flat land with shorter grasses. So during the rainy season what happened? The grasslands are covered with flowers. Okay, means lots of flower blooms, and the soil is fertile which is useful for growing crops and pastures. So do you know what does the word pasture means? So it means the land covered with grass and other low plants. Okay, and it is suitable for grazing animals. Now most of the grasslands have been converted into farms. Okay, so as we have learned earlier, right, that the area has been decreasing. Why? Because most of the grasslands have been converted into farmlands. Now different types of grasses can be seen there, such as the needle grass, wiregrass, bunch grass, sagebrush, and little blue stem. Okay, so these are different types of grasses which are found here. These tall grasses can grow up to 8 feet in height, may rise to 8 feet. Now regarding crops, prairies are also known as wheat basket of the world. Okay, why it is called so? Because in the central and northern prairies, wheat is grown in large quantities. Okay, so there is a large production of wheat. Okay, in the central and the northern prairies. That is why they are called so. There are large wheat farms here, and wheat is also exported around the globe. Means from there all around the earth it is exported. Some of the crops which are grown here include corn, soybean, barley, rye, oats and cotton. Okay. Now the eastern part of the prairies is used for cultivating corns, and the central part is used for growing wheat. Okay, so it means in the eastern part of these prairies, what is being cultivated? Corn, and in the central part, wheat. So students, in this video we have covered some of the topic of this chapter. Okay, like the different names of the grassland in the different countries. Then we have learned regarding the location of the prairies, the rivers which flow through the prairies, wildlife, vegetation, and regarding the crops. And also we get to know that they are called the wheat basket of the world because wheat is grown in large quantities in this region. Okay, so in the next video we will cover the rest part of this chapter. So students, please go through both the videos for better understanding. Thank you.